Hi guys, today it is local Seattle tour, and where in Seattle? The Snoqualmie Falls. We have come to Snoqualmie Falls today. It's about 1 hour drive from where we live, West Avenue in Seattle, and the place is lush green and beautiful too. Just see around. I'll turn 360-degree to show you the greenery around, and we'll be moving to the fall also just now. So can you see the greenery? I hope yes. It's beautiful. One more. So the air is so clean, all your diseases will vanish once you breathe in such a fresh air. It will take you to Snoqualmie now. Over to Snoqualmie. Stay on the channel, subscribe if not done so already. Watch all videos, like, comment, share. While subscribing, press the bell button too. And last but not the least, please buy super thanks. Traveling requires a lot of expenses, dear friends. You have to support in this activity. We are moving to the falls now. There is a Salish Lodge and Spa too. You can see the board here. And this is the place. One can stay here also. If you want to make a night stay, this lodge is there to help you accommodate in this. Such a beautiful place. Greenery all around. And there is a board you can see in the distance. Snoqualmie Falls Park. This is the board. Here, Snoqualmie Falls Park. This was the wooden pedestrian bridge on which we have crossed the highway passing underneath and on to the Snoqualmie Park now. It's a no drone area, and this is the lodge again, Salish Lodge and Spa. And this is the fall. The initial view of the fall. Snoqualmie Falls. The view from the entry to the falls. We'll move ahead and see it in full glory with a clear frame also. But it is important to see from the entry how it looks. Birds are flying. This is the lodge. These back rooms give a very good view of the falls. Must be premium rooms with higher tariff than usual. And forest is all around us. Does it look good to you? Please give your reply in the comment box. That will help us to cover places suitable for you. And the water flows ahead. There is a model of a turbine letting people know how the power is produced in this fall. energy supply and demand. This board is there. So power is produced here. Hydropower. Washington state is committed to hydropower and the technology continues to improve. All the information about hydropower is given here. This is regarding the hydroelectric project today. The original power plant here. Charles Baker and engineering ingenuity, the falls in context. Snoqualmie Falls and the Snoqualmie River are part of the larger natural water cycle and local watershed. This is the view of the fall from further down, from the last point where going is allowed, and we will zoom it also to enable you to have a better view. And here the water flows in the woods. And the lodge is there, zooming it. Hydroelectric power plant is there. That side you can see. There is a hydroelectric power plant over there. And these are the boats all around. A particular type of falcon is found here, that is called peregrine falcon. And this particular falcon photo you can see here. This nests on the cliffs of Snoqualmie Falls and returns every year in the spring. Cliff dweller it is called, peregrine falcons, and Snoqualmie Falls. To share some details of Snoqualmie Falls with you, it's a 268 foot, equal to 82 meters waterfall in the east of Seattle. on the Snoqualmie River between Snoqualmie and Fall City, Washington. It is one of Washington's most popular scenic attractions and is known internationally for its appearance in the television series Twin Peaks. More than 1.5 million visitors come to the falls every year, where there is a 2-acre park, an observation deck, and a gift shop. Most of the river is diverted into the power plants, but at times the river is high enough to flow across the entire precipice, which creates an almost blinding spray. High water occurs following a period of heavy rains or snow, followed by warm, rainy weather. This can occur during the rainy season, which lasts from November through March. During high water, the falls take on a curtain form. For the Snoqualmie people who have lived since time immemorial in the Snoqualmie Valley in western Washington, Snoqualmie Falls is central to their culture, beliefs, and spirituality. A traditional burial site to the Snoqualmie people, the falls are the place where first woman and the first man were created by Moon, the transformer, and where prayers were carried out to the Creator by great mists that rise from the powerful flow. The mists rising from the base of the waterfall are said to serve to connect heaven and earth. Please watch colors of the rainbow too. Partly it is visible and you can see it. We would end this video now, and while doing so, we would request you once again to subscribe to our YouTube channel Shekhar Travel Plus Vlogs and press the bell button too for all notifications so that you stand updated whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. Watch all videos, like, comment and share, and buy super thanks. There is a super thanks tab below each of the videos on my channel. Please press that and buy super thanks. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.